The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, northern Clay County until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m.
Oh, dang, that's actually past me.
At Gladstone?
Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Source. The public reported a wall cloud with a funnel cloud that has dissipated.
Wait, there was a funnel
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
cloud that had
Locations
dissipated?
include Kansas City, Liberty, Gladstone, Excelsior Springs, Kearney, Lawson, Holt, Mosby, and Brothersville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 15 and 40. Interstate 435 between mile markers 42 and 50. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Clay and Clinton. The National Weather Service